Hi, here is a quick look at the JRIS75. This one here has the aluminum plate Hotswap PCB. I got the PBT keycaps on here. Inside is the Corsa Tactile switch. It's a special stem with a little bit more tactility. And then you see over here the new carrying case is more pretty. There's like JRIS Lab marking on there in purple, and it has better handle this time, better grip. You get all the tools inside this little box and some foam to prevent damage. And this one, we have the badge over here that lights up. And then on the back, this is the silver PVD version. It looks much better now without any marking on the back. Clean. Okay, so now it's plugged in. You can see this little logo here lights up. Not sure if it's easy to see. So it's like a steady color. It doesn't change. Looks kind of nice, like a rainbow color. It doesn't show really well on my camera. It's a cheap phone camera. So okay, so now let's just do a quick typing test on monkey type, just to kind of listen to the sound real quick. Okay, so here are some of the key sounds. There's a lot of flex. So for those that like flex, you're gonna like this. Some people like louder sound, so you want to opt for the PCB without flex cut. They should be offering that as an option. I don't have anything else like knobs or anything to try, but here is the LED logo. So I'm just gonna do one more type test and then we'll conclude here. Okay. So overall, I feel like this one is much heavier than the JRIS65. I believe it's because of the two weights, internal and external. Other than the larger size, it feels like the casing is also thicker than the 65. Packaging is better, as you can see. Case is better. Oh, and also the rear without any like JRIS sign, like the plain look, in my opinion, looks much better. And I really like this symmetrical look, different from most of the other 75 out there. yeah, so that's it. Might do some modification later to try other setting, I guess, and then to see if there's any difference. Might also try the UHW, I guess UMHW or WH tape to tape up the PCB just to kind of get a feel of how it would sound like without any flex cut. Well, I guess that's it.